Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tishinga here for those of you who do not know. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I went from this to that during this, young DIY facial type of session. Yeah, so if you're interested in this video, please do keep on watching. The first thing that I like to do is do my facial hair. So I like to trim my eyebrows and I like to dermaplane. So dermaplaning is basically like shaving your face. Yeah, I do that because it removes dead skin cells, and people who know me know I have bad skin. It's not a lie, you guys can see. I'm very transparent with you people about my skin. I have bad skin, and dermaplaning has really made a big difference in my skin for the past few months that I've been doing it. So yeah, I usually take a razor from Gillette. Is that how you say it? I take a razor from Gillette. You can get this anywhere really, any store that sells razor blades. And then I just like to, I'm gonna be looking at my mirror. I like to trim my eyebrows, not too much though, because I trim them on a regular, so they are already shaped the way I would like them to be shaped. So I just trim them a little bit, just so I can get like a clean looking brow. What I have done doing my eyebrows, I'm going to be dermaplaning, which is again shaving my face. So to do that, I use this razor that I bought from a shop in my area that is called Sweetheart. Can you see it? It has like this, I don't know how it focus, but it looks like that. There we go. So I got it at a shop that's in my area called Sweetheart. So what you do when you dermaplane, I'm not going to use a mirror, I'm going to use the camera. So my face is going to be in your face. This is so awkward. My face is going to be in your face, okay? So what you do, okay, so if you've got acne, you need to be really careful. And in this case, I have acne, I'm breaking out. It's that time of the month, so I have a breakout. So now when you've got acne, you want to skip the spots that have acne, or else you're going to cut open the pimple and you're going to be bleeding, and you just don't want that, okay? So what I do, I take the razor and then I pull on my skin. I pull on my skin like that, and then so when you do that, I want you to see, I don't know if you can see, you can't really see, but on the razor there is some facial hair on it and dead skin cells. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my whole face, and then I'm going to come back on camera and then show you guys how I do my whole skincare routine featuring Tmolyn skincare. To wash my face, I use this charcoal and spearmint face wash from an online shop called Mambokadzi. It's a Zimbabwean shop. So this face wash is really good. It's for sensitive skin. It leaves my skin feeling smoother than a baby's bum. Trust me. Then to scrub my face, I use this face wash from Cuticura. It has jojoba oil in it, so it just leaves my face again leaving so moisturized and exfoliated. Guys, surely I can't be the only person who finds this satisfying to watch. I mean, just look at that. I caught it. Just look at it. Like it's so fun to watch. Do you know what I'm trying to say? So now I'm just going to lather it up in my hand, and I'm going to start scrubbing my face. So what I've noticed with this face scrub is that it really, especially after dermaplaning, it really does leave my skin feeling moisturized and just really, really smooth. Because remember, when you dermaplane, you're taking off dead skin cells, and it just leaves your skin feeling dry, and this just restores the moisture to your skin. Do you know what I'm trying to say? Yeah, so now after this, obviously you're going to wash it off, and in this step I'm steaming my face. I usually steam for about 3 to 4 minutes just to open up my pores so that I can apply my face mask. So this face mask has cinnamon, honey, and lemon inside it. So cinnamon helps with the breakout, the honey helps with the moisture, and the lemon helps with the dark spots on my face, like the blemishes and stuff. Guys, this is not black face, please, okay? It's just a face mask. Make sure you get some face mask on your lips as well. It helps exfoliate them. Okay guys, as you can see, I have washed my face mask off. I've scrubbed my lips, they're dry, so I'm gonna just take some Vaseline and do what I need to do. I'm not gonna be out here walking around. Hell no. Okay, so I usually wait for my face to air dry, but I just want to show you guys how it looks now. If you can compare, this is so weird, my face is drying, but if you can just, I don't know if you can see how different it looks like compared to how it looked like before I washed it and did everything. I just, you know, you did something right, girl. And boy, facials are for boys too, guys. Don't do that thing where it's like, nah, magenta, can't be out here. You can't be out here having a dirty face. Okay? Okay. So I like to take an ice block, and I've just washed my face as I said. So now I take the ice block and I just drag it across my face. I drag it across my face. You can take, this is an ice block that's coated. You don't, like, it doesn't have to be a coated ice block. It can literally be a raw ice block, but hey, it's cold, yeah. Then the thing is gonna melt and then calm me down. So this ice block, not this one specifically, but like icing your skin after washing it just closes your pores, you know, closes the pores, minimizes breakouts. Do your pores get closed or minimized? I don't know. Between those two, it either minimizes the pores or it closes them. I don't think pores can actually be closed. I think minimizes them. So I like to do this for like a while. I do this forever, just to make sure that everything is done. Okay guys, so for the past 3 weeks I have been using Tmolyn moisturizers on my face. So these have really helped in the reduction of my blemishes, which is really great because that's the goal, you know. They were sent to me, actually they were gifted to me by the owner of the whole company, you know. I was feeling a little bit special. I was feeling special. Like that girl's like, okay. When the delivery man came, he's like, I'm looking for Tashinga. He didn't see me, he was on me. I was like, zoom. I was so happy. I was like, this is she. Where do I sign? I was feeling cute. Okay, so I got 2 moisturizers. I got the day one, and then I got the replenishing night cream. It's the replenishing night cream. I love them. I'm not gonna lie to you. I love how it feels on my skin. The replenishing night cream is really thick, and I love that. And the instructions say, use the tip of your middle finger, pick up a pea-sized amount. I don't know what pea-sized is. I take gang. Like, I want to shine. Yeah? So I take a lot. Like, this is a lot actually. And then obviously I just rub it into my hands, you know, warm it up. And then I put it onto my face. So if this wasn't a facial, like it feels like a normal night skincare routine, I was just going to leave it like this, but it's not. It's like a facial type thing, you know what I'm trying to say? So to lock the moisture in, look at this, look at my skin. Get out. Get out. Look. Look. Get out. I love how it looks. I love how it is looking. Like, I think this is the Tmolyn. Like, you guys saw my face is dry. Now I'm shining like a diamond in the sky. Then to lock in the moisture, I use this Cuticura antiseptic ointment. I use that. Can you see? Just because I use this, just because it locks in the moisture, like it really, and it makes me feel it makes my face shiny, and I like a shiny face after washing my face. I just feel like I've done something in life, you know, like, okay, now I look like those Instagram models who have nice skin. Do you know what I'm trying to say? Do you know? Guys, I can't stop looking at my skin. Every time I use this moisturizer, the Tmolyn, my skin, literally, it feels amazing. I'm not gonna lie to you, it feels great. Okay, so after years and years of trying to open this up, I finally opened it up. And I just rub it into my hands again, and then just to lock in the moisture. Make sure to get your neck as well, guys. You know, your neck can be dry. Okay, guys. So this is how my skin looks like after everything I have done, and I love how it looks like. I'm loving how it's feeling. This glow that's on my skin is everything to me. It's everything, because guys, who doesn't want nice skin? Do you get what I'm trying to say? Yeah, so this is the end of the video. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, then please be sure to leave me a comment, you know, say something nice. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Like the video and share so we grow. I'm in love. I'm in love. Share the video so that we grow, you know what I'm trying to say. I have been saying, you know what I'm trying to say, for a really long time, and it's really not necessary. I was about to say it again, but you know what? Yeah, it's cool. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and comment below for more videos. If you've got any suggestions, any videos that you'd like to see from me, any content you'd like to see from me, then leave in the comments or DM me. My Instagram link is in the description box below. So will the link for Tmolyn skincare and Mambokazi. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. If you're still here, like, if you're watching me say this, yeah, leave a heart, because you're a real one. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.